What's up, you guys? It's your boy Felipe, and today we're going to talk about stop taking advice from the top gurus, and I'll tell you why. Let's get started. All right, guys, as you've seen in a couple of my last videos, before we get started, we are in a beautiful background. My wife's family's 5 acres. It is gorgeous out here. The sky is beautiful. The trees are gorgeous. And they've set it up this way because this is a gorgeous place in Daytona, Florida, right? It's gorgeous out here. I'm even sporting a tank top simply because it is hot and beautiful out here. So let's talk about why I think you shouldn't be taking advice from the top gurus. Now, I'm not saying don't follow them, but what I'm saying is make sure you hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel because it helps so much. Thanks, guys. All right. So what I mean by that is very simply, don't take advice from the top gurus. Don't get me wrong. I love and appreciate Ryan Pineda, Graham Stephan, some of these high level individuals, but I don't take my advice from them yet. The key word is yet, okay? I take my advice from the people that have the next step that I want to take. For example, if I'm looking to diversify my portfolio into the next, let's say I want to go from 10 single family homes this year to 10 multifamily homes this year. I'm not going to take advice from a top level guru who is doing millions and millions of dollars a year. No, I'm going to go take my advice from the person that's taking that next level that I want, right? So if I'm looking to buy 10 multifamily this year, then I need to follow and get advice from the guy that's buying multifamily this year, not from the super gurus out there, because they're going to give advice based on their goals, based on what they're doing. And there's nothing wrong with that. That is just not the advice you need to be taking right now. You need to be in the community that's doing what you want to do next. Does that make sense? So let me give you an example. If I'm looking to shred 10 pounds of fat, am I going to go take advice from a bodybuilder who's going to be wanting to put on 10 pounds? Is he a guru in his space? Yes, he is. But he is not what I need at this moment. Can you guys hear the animals? This is a huge land. Of course they have animals. Anyways, think about it. You don't want to take advice. Dogs are eating. They're going in. Anyways, you don't want to take advice from a guru who has definitely what you want, but isn't on that level that you're trying to get to. You need to be taking advice from those who are just that next level. And then from there, grow to that next level and grow to the next. Now, I'm not saying don't watch and don't listen to them because they have great advice. What I'm saying is you need to be mentoring under the people that have your next step and then outgrow your mentor and guru. Listen, you should be outgrowing your mentor and your guru annually. And as they grow, maybe you grow with them, right? But you should be outgrowing what they mentored you last year. You need to have actionable steps taken. This is really important, guys. Listen to this. If you are listening to the top gurus that are like, hey, invest in millions of dollars of real estate and do this and this, there's no actual actionable step for you to take to that next level. It's like, dude, I get it. I need to buy millions of real estate. But right now I'm trying to buy my next real estate investment so I can get that next level. So you need to follow someone that's in that next level. In my podcast, Rat Race to 5 podcast, link below, we talk about this. We talk about getting to know the investor and why that's important. And that's important because you need to know who and what investor you're following that's going to give you the right advice based on your next level goal. Think about that, right? You don't want to be taking advice from someone who's trying to gain 10 pounds in muscle when you're trying to lose 10 pounds in fat. Are they in the same sphere of influence box? Yes. But one is not the advice you need to be taking, except, or at least not right now. And this is why people get analysis paralysis, because they're so focused on like these top high level people that they're like, no, if I do this little deal, I'm not going to be able to do the big deals that they're talking about. It's like, no, find out what your next deal needs to be and find out who is doing that, and then mentor under them. And then the next deal, mentor under that person, and then so forth, and then so on. This is how you not get analysis paralysis, because you know the right person that you're following. Thanks, guys. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it.